z equals u plus iv is an analytic function. Show that del square applied over modulus of real part of f of z the whole square equals 2 times modulus of f dash of z the whole square. We have real part of f of z is u. Modulus of real part of f of z is again u. Modulus of real part of f of z the whole square becomes u square. We have to evaluate del square applied over modulus of real part of f of z the whole square, which is nothing but dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square applied on the input modulus of real part of f of z the whole square. So first we will be evaluating dou by dou x and dou by dou y applied over this desired input. We obtain dou by dou x of modulus of real part of f of z the whole square as 2u into dou u by dou x. Similarly, when we carry out partial differentiation with respect to y, we obtain 2u into dou u by dou y. We are again differentiating with respect to x and y so as to obtain dou square by dou x square and dou square by dou y square of this function. We will have to apply product rule on the RHS of 1 and 2 respectively. 2 is common to all the terms when we make use of product rule, and we have the terms u into dou square u by dou x square when dou u by dou x is partial differentiation with respect to x. When u is partial differentiation with respect to x, we obtain dou u by dou x into dou u by dou x, which becomes dou u by dou x the whole square. We obtain equation 4 when we apply product rule on the RHS of equation 2. We add up equations 3 and 4 so as to obtain del square applied over modulus of real part of f of z the whole square. 2 is common to all the 4 terms, and when we group terms containing u, we obtain the term dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square, which becomes 0 because u is the real part of an analytic function and hence it is a harmonic function. Therefore, it satisfies Laplace equation. We are left with terms 2 times ux square plus uy square. Number it as equation Roman letter 1. Now we evaluate f dash of z, which is equal to ux plus I times vx because f of z is an analytic function. We replace vx by minus uy because f of z satisfies CR equations. We take the modulus of f dash of z, which is the square root of sum of squares of real and imaginary parts of f dash of z. We square both sides and we obtain equation Roman letter 2. Comparing equations Roman letter 1 and Roman letter 2, we obtain the desired result.